Hello, this is Sahil Panchasra from team number 9, and my team members consist of Soumya Patel, our team leader, Uday Khokaria, Yash Patel, Riyan Pakwana, and we are from Pandit Deendayal Energy University, and we were assigned a task to make a website on visualizing disk scheduling algorithms under operating system labs. So we have developed it, and okay, so let's go to our home page by clicking this. So as you can see, this is our homepage of our website, and it is fully responsive and packed with full 3D effects. And okay, so let's go down. Here you can see this. There are 4 modules, and the very first module, that is a scheduling algorithm, is been provided, or you can say that implemented by our seniors. That is, they have implemented the 7 algorithms of the process scheduling. And okay, so let's get to our home page. The second module, that is the disk scheduling algorithms, is done by our team. And as you can see this, we will be coming back here. And the third module and the fourth module, that is concurrency and deadlock, and the page replacement algorithms, will be done by our juniors. Okay, so let's get this. Okay, so here in the disk scheduling algorithms, we have implemented all the 7 algorithms, that are FCFS, SSTF, scan, cscan, look, clook, LIFO, and we have also provided an option for comparing all the 7 algorithms at one place. So okay, so let's get to the very first algorithm, that is FCFS algorithm. And here we have provided a brief intro about the algorithm. Okay, so let's explore it. Okay, so we are in the FCFS algorithm page, that is the first come first serve algorithm. So let's explore it. Here we have provided the description of the algorithm, that what is the algorithm is, and how what is and all that. And we have also provided here the flow of the algorithm, that how the algorithm works. And we have provided the implementation of the algorithm in 2 ways. That is, means we are taking the input from the user in 2 ways. We have provided a user with 2 choices. That is, first is manually entering the input, means entering the sequence and entering the head position and running the algorithm. And second one is uploading a file in the particular format. Okay, so let's check the first option. Okay, so let's enter the requested sequence. Okay, this one, and let's enter 67, run FCFS. So as you can see that while clicking the run FCFS button, we can get we are having the output in this output section. So in the output, we are provided with the seek time of the algorithm. That was in our case it was 883 ms, the sequence of the operations processing, and the average seek time of the algorithm, that is 110.38 ms. So here you can see that the chart is also been provided as per the inputs. The means the as per the input, whatever the output is, the output has been visualized with this chart. And we can zoom it, which you can zoom it the chart by hovering from left to right, and by clicking it we can reset the chart, and by clicking also we can go to anywhere like this in the zoom in position. Okay, so reset. Here we have provided a dynamic button named compare, and when we click this compare button, a model box pops up where we can see the all the 7 algorithms comparison with our inputs output. So as you can see this, the whatever we have inputted, whatever we have given the input, based upon that the output has been generated by all the different 7 algorithms, and the output is shown here at one place. And you can see this with graph, that all the 7 algorithms are been are here. And inside you can see this the total seek time of all the different 7 algorithms. That is based on our input, the FCFS produces the output with seek time 883 ms, same with SSTF, scan, and all this. Now suppose we want to go to we want only the comparison between only 2 algorithms or 3 algorithms or whatever. We can do this by clicking on these legends. So when we click on the legends once, it will unhide, it will hide, and when we click on the legends second time, it will be unhidden. So okay, so let's have a comparison between scan and C scan. So let's hide loop, C loop, LIFO, FCFS, SSTF. So as you can see, this pink color line is for scan and this blue color line is for C scan. Okay, so let's have for SSTF and scan. So as you can see this, the dynamic output is being generated, and we can hide or unhide with this legends, and we can have it our comparison with any of the user specified uh, choices. Okay, so the comparison part is over. And here also, yeah, the as you can see this, when we remove this, the output is gone, and the limit is being specified here, that is maximum limit is 9999. So let's see what happens when we outreach the limit. So let's enter this, anything this, run FCFS. So as you can see this, the page alerts us by saying that got invalid input, and the integral values should be in the range of 0 to 9999, and it doesn't provide any output. Okay, so they have, we have limited our output, we have limited output for input the 9999. Okay, so suppose okay, the manually part is over. Now let's go to the upload file. So upload file, it is the second form of taking the input. So here we have specified a format of input, that is in this format the file should contain the inputs, that is first sequence head, and in this format. Okay, so we have also provided a button to choose the files from the system. So when we click on this, okay, let's click there, let's choose example in group, open, run FCFS. Okay, so as we hit the run FCFS button, the slides have been generated here, and the slides have been generated here dynamically. And as you can see, this only 2 questions have been solved per slide. That is my group.txt was having the 10 questions, so there are 5 parts of this group.txt, each having 2 questions solved. And whenever the input was invalid, it states the statement that got invalid input, as we see it in the alert message. So you can toggle between these slides by sliding like this, or by clicking the buttons here provided like this. Okay, so when you reach final, the button will be disabled. Okay, we have seen the manually entering the input and uploading the file. Okay, so you can go to another algorithm page by clicking on this OS Virtual Lab button, which will go leads to our home page. It is this, and clicking on this disk scheduling again, and clicking on any of the algorithm. And the second option is you can click on this go to button, and you will be provided with a list of all the algorithm page. So let's click on this disk scheduling. It will be lead to our the disk scheduling algorithms homepage. So here from here we can select SSTF. Okay, so in the SSTF, that is the shortest seek time first algorithm, the same way the description of the algorithm, the flow of the algorithm, the implementation of the algorithm in 2 ways, that is the manually entering the input and upload the file. That is for, let's say we enter the sequence this, the same sequence, the output will be provided like this, the total seek time of the algorithm, sequence of the operations processing average seek time of the algorithm, and the chart. Similar way, when we click on this, model box will pop up. It will be having all the comparison between all the 7 algorithms with the given input. Okay, so all the 7 algorithms are being implemented with this basic theme, that is the description. First we have provided the description of the all the algorithms, then flow of the algorithm, implementation in 2 ways, and the output. Okay, so let's look at the comparison uh, option that is been provided, and what it says is it is a comparison of all the 7 algorithms, and it gives us that which works better. So let's explore it. Okay, so here in the comparison of all the algorithms, the advantages of all the algorithms, that is all the 7 algorithms are being provided. All the 7 algorithms advantages, all the 7 algorithms disadvantages also have been provided, and the implementation is provided only with the manual entry. Okay, so let's enter the sequence, any number, compare. So when we when we hit the compare button, the output shows us like this: the total seek time. First of all, the total with the given input, the all the 7 algorithms will compute its output and provides it the seek time here. That is the total seek times of all the algorithms. That is for FCFS it is 905, for SSTF it is 905, same scan it is 995, and so on. And the conclusion what we can get from this is the fastest algorithm, that is it says about the fastest algorithm, and that is in this case algorithms having least total seek counts are the fastest. So okay, so in our case it is FCFS and SSTF. That is because the 905 ms for 905 ms is the minimum seek time, and it is there for only FCFS and SSTF. So they are fastest algorithms. Okay, so as you can see, the minimum total seek time is this, and the chart is what is been provided here is the same chart what we discussed in the FCFS one. Similarly, we can hide and unhide the legends for comparing any user specified algorithms. Okay, so here the comparison of all the algorithms part is done. Okay, so let's here our YouTube video will be posted, explanatory video, and here these are the developers as we seen in the starting of the video. Okay, so thank you.